Hi children, welcome to all. This is TMHNU Nadar Saraswati Public School, Vadabapatti. I am congratulate to you. You are promoted from 5th standard to 6th standard, I am your social science teacher, P. Divya. Social science up to the 5th standard you have studied combinedly the social science. This year onwards you are going to study separately history, geography and civics. Okay. Now I am going to explain about the word of geography. Okay, shall we see? Yes. See now, geography is the English word that is origin from the Greek language. Okay, see, now we are going to see about the geography. Geo means earth, then geographia means writing. We are going to study about the earth here only. Okay. Now we are going to see the chapter 1 from this. Yes, okay. Chapter 1. Yes, where we are living, which planet is known as the blue in color? Yes, the earth. This topic is the earth in the solar system. Where is located the earth? What is the features of the earth? You are going to see. Okay. Wow, wonderful sky at night. Yes. After the sunset, you see one or two dots only in the sky. But soon the stars are increased numbers and showing the bright sky at night. Yes. See, this is full moon day and new moon day. Full moon day is known as Purnima, and then new moon day is also known as Amavasya. See here, not at all the moon and the stars. The empty sky is known as the Amavasya. Okay. Then we are going to see now celestial bodies. See, the sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Shall we see one by one? Yes, this is stars. This is colorful stars, very cute. Stars vary in size, brightness and color. Not only showing that white in color, the color stars also is there. Okay. See now the stars, celestial bodies having their own heat and light are called stars. Sun is the largest star of our solar system. Yes, the sun is the biggest star in the solar system. See now the pole star. We are seeing the pole stars, this star use this star and moving from one place to another by sailors. In ancient time, people used to determine the direction during the night time with the help of these stars. Okay, the star is located only the north direction. That direction is easily to identify the other directions. Okay, now we see the constellations. Constellations are group of stars. The stars will be make a pattern like animal, people, mythical beasts to these group. Okay. See now the constellations. I said the patterns. See here some patterns. A constellation is a group of stars seem to form what pattern or shape. One or two pattern is here. Orion. It means hunter. Hercules, the hero. The cycle have this symbol. This is hero. This is a big constellation in the sky. It is known as the Ursa Major or Big Bear. Now we are going to see about the other objects in the sky. Our solar system. Our solar system made up of sun, 8 planets and their moons, asteroids, meteors, comets, so and so. Shall we see one by one? See now, this is orbit. We are using the path, walking path like that. The planet also have the fixed path. That is known as orbit. The sun is the center of the solar system. Other planets are revolve around the sun. This is sun. Sun is a big ball of fire. Sun has helium and other gases. Okay. See, this is solar system. Here located the all planets. Here from Jupiter is the biggest planet, whereas Mercury is the smallest planet. Shall we see the planets, all the planets here? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. See what is the speciality of the planets. All planets have in spherical shape. All planets revolve around the sun in elliptical path, isn't it? Yes, each planet takes a different time to complete one revolution around the sun. Yes, these planets are divided into two groups. It is inner planet and outer planet. Okay, inner planets are very closest to the sun. They are made up of rocks. First four planets, you know that planets are inner planets. Next we will going to see the outer planet. The outer planets are made up of gases and liquids. The outer planets appear from very far away from the sun. Okay, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Shall we see the next? Yes. See here, an easy way to memorize the name of the planets. Here given the sentence, you know that sentence, the first letter are going to remind the all planets name. Okay, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. This first letter is insisted the planet's name. Okay, yes, this is our planet. We are living on the earth, you know. The earth is also known as the blue planet. It has a satellite, own satellite. This is earth satellite. Okay, this is moon. Yes, satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the sun. Satellite move around the planets, but planets move around the sun. Moon have its own light and heat? No, it does not produce lights of its own. It is revolve around the earth alone. But the moon is get the sunlight and reflect to us, showing the bright moon, you know. Yes. Interesting fact. See, Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 21st July 1969. Find out whether any Indian has landed on the moon. Can you find? Yes, Kalpana Chawla. Okay. See now the human-made satellite. You saw that natural satellite, you know, like that human-made satellite. It is also known as the artificial satellites. Indian artificial satellites are INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. Up to now, more than 190 satellites are launched by the India. Okay. This is artificial satellite. The artificial satellites are important for the scientific research. So India's first artificial satellite is known as Aryabhatta. Like that, Russia only sent the first artificial satellite to space. October 4th, 1957, that was launched by Russia. Okay, the first artificial satellite is Sputnik is to circle the Earth. That satellite carry the live companion of Doc Laika on November 19 57. See, now we are going to see asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. That asteroids is most of the asteroids is situated between the Mars and the Jupiter. Shall we go the next? Yes, see now the meteors. Every night we can see some bright streaks of light in the sky. These are called meteors. They are also known as the shooting star or falling star. Okay. If you observe that the night sky, we will see that falling stars therefrom. Okay. That is known as meteors. Yes. Next, going to see comets. Comets are huge lumps of snow and rocky dust. Okay, each comet follows its own orbit around the sun. The most famous comet is Halley's Comet. It was last seen in 1986. It will be appear again after the 76 years only. This is comet. See here very well. Yes, this is our galaxy. This is Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is located in this galaxy only. Here have the most of billion stars and shining the galaxy. Not only the stars, the dust particles also have in this galaxy. Okay, lot of galaxies are going to made up of universe. Not only the galaxy, there are million galaxies. Okay, you see the recap. What did we see? Earth, the moon, the solar system, the asteroids and the meteors, the celestial bodies, Milky Way galaxy, and then comets also. You saw that, you know. Okay, now we are going to recapitulation. A group of dash forming various pattern is called dash. Second one, dash is the closest celestial body to our Earth. Third one, planets do not have their own dash and dash. A group of 7 stars is called dash. There are dash planets that get heat and light from the sun. Thank you to all.